Stage 1, 305 kilometer gravel section, sandy dunes, was amazing. So far, not so bad. P1 in first stage. To win the stage, nice, but perhaps, you know, still a long way to go, you know.
Our first stage did not go as planned. We ended up losing some power steering, so that was kind of early on, and then it just progressively got worse to where we had none. And then we got to a section at kilometer 98. We ended up taking an impact to the rear arm and broke in half. And so it's a big part, a big change out there to do on the course. I don't necessarily think I'm out yet, and this is only day 1. We still have the whole race ahead of us, and that is a lot of time ahead of us.
It was a good stage, so we had no issue, except puncture, but I think that in this condition, with a lot of rocks, everybody get a puncture.
Somehow I won. I don't know how I won today. Honestly, I just kept my head down, and it was a rough day. We kept swapping positions. It was a true test for the vehicles today, and it was really awesome to see all 3 defenders up front.
Today it was the 3rd stage on the Dakar 26. For us it was a really good day. First victory in the stock category, so I'm really happy for the team. We won the 3 first stages, so it's super nice.
I finished P2 and in overall I'm leading by 58 minutes.